Welcome everybody, this is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 142. It is for the sealed box number 2 out of a fresh sealed case. Box 1 won yesterday. Unfortunately, I do not have the serial number because I listed this before I even got the box. But we'll see that we'll be pulling a fresh box 2 out of a sealed case. It is for series 1 and it ended November 19, 2020. I want to thank everybody for paying so quickly. I know there's a 50-cent charge on every team that ends. That is to recoup some of the shipping costs, because there's up to 20 packages, maybe more, every break. That's a lot of packages and a lot of shipping and a lot of dollars going out the door. If I don't recoup something back, I won't be able to do these breaks one at a time on here. Having said that, thanks for understanding. So please don't ask for a 50-cent rebate if your team doesn't get a card. It's part of a group play. It is what it is, and I hope everybody gets something. Without further ado, again, thank you everybody for paying so quickly so we can get on to this, and let's do this. Dante 1229 has the Islanders. Fittings 12 has the Wild and the Blues. Fingelbunt owns the Flames. JP 1221 has the Flyers. Newfie Lars has the Canadiens and the Leafs. OHL 069 has the Ducks, the Coyotes, the Bruins, the Sabres, the Hurricanes, the Jackets, the Red Wings, the Panthers, the Predators, the Devils, the Penguins, the Sharks, and the Vancouver Canucks. WDD JSS has the Blackhawks, the Stars, the Oilers, the Kings, and the Vegas Knights. WPG Goldeye has the Avalanche, the Senators, the Winnipeg Jets. Yusiki Takis 0 has the Rangers, and rounding us out, Zachor 1084 has the Lightning and the Washington Capitals. So I'm going to scroll up here as I switch over to the webcam. And there we have it. Yesterday we took out one box. It was decent. I'm just going to pick a random box. I don't know any better. Put that there. And I will remove this from here. And in yesterday's break, the non-hit pack actually had a hit, and it was a French variant. So I did find it, and it did go to Montreal. So whoever had Montreal yesterday will be getting that card. I do realize now that there is a French variant, usually in that pack, that contains, at first, no hits, but it does contain hits. All right, box 2. Yesterday's box was good. Let's keep up the momentum, and let's get some big young guns in here. As we do the whole case, we are expected to get those case hits. All right, let's get to this. Our first hit is a Upper Deck canvas for your Ottawa Senators, Brady Tkachuk. I like the canvas cards. And again, I'll go through these again later on, but there's generally one hit per pack. I'm excited to see if we can hit one of those suit cards. And our first Young Guns, Alex Belzile for your Montreal Canadiens. Congratulations to Montreal. Nice looking hit. Well, I'm looking in the corner for that French variant. I don't want to take up too much time. And we have an NHL Upper Deck canvas. That's a nice one for Kyle Connor for the Winnipeg Jets. That's a nice looking canvas card. Congratulations to Winnipeg. Thought it was some other variant with that NHL base-off, but that's a great hit. And we have a predominant for your Philadelphia Flyers, Carter Hart. Congratulations to Philadelphia. I might throw an exclusive in a base behind that, so I will again double check, but I make sure I go pretty thorough on them. And we have a clear-cut Mark Edward Vlasic for your San Jose Sharks. That's 2 in a row, but yesterday's box had it was in a young gun form. Okay, nice hit for San Jose. And we have a nice hit for the Rangers. Vitaly Kravtsov. Nice hit for the Rangers. Not the big guy, but he's a good player too. Nice hit for the Rangers. And we have a clear-cut Foundations. No need to random because they are for your Detroit Red Wings. Tyler Bertuzzi and who's the other guy? Anthony Mantha. Nice hit for the Red Wings, die cut. Those are big hits. All right. I'm happy for you guys. Young Guns, the checklist. Another hit for the Rangers. This time it's got Kravtsov and Lafreniere. There we go. Nice hit. Another nice hit for the Rangers. Maybe we can hit all 3. Wow. Nice looking box for the Rangers so far. And we have a debut dates Mario Ferraro for your San Jose Sharks. Oh, sorry. Yeah, he should be San Jose. Yeah, I just got confused because it says the Golden Knights there, but he is a San Jose Shark. And we have a portrait for your Calgary Flames, Matthew Tkachuk. We got his brother earlier, Brady, but now we have Matthew. What a dominant family that was, from Keith to Brady to Matthew. Good genes in that Tkachuk family. And we have another portrait, this time for your Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. Those are good-looking portrait cards. We have an NHL Worldwide Austin Matthews for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Nice hit for the Leafs there. With the American flag. Pack was a little bit stubborn. Hopefully it's a good one. We have a canvas, Jonathan Huberdeau for your Florida Panthers. Nice hit for Florida. And again, I'll go through these, but generally it's 1 hit per pack. Another canvas, but this time it lands in a young gun. Kiefer Bellows. He is not a bad player, and to get him in the canvas version, good for you, whoever has the New York Islanders. That is a good hit to have. This box is good. So was the last one. And we have a Dylan Coughlin Young Guns for your Vegas Knights. It's another nice looking Young Gun. And I know I see a Dazzler back there. And it is another hit for your New York Rangers. Igor Shershikin. Nice hit for the Rangers. He's a good goalie. Taking over for Lundqvist. Can never say his name right. But nonetheless, Rangers are hot. And we have another NHL Worldwide. This time for the Czech Republic, but Pittsburgh Penguins. Evgeny Malkin. Nice hit for Pittsburgh. We're getting a nice spread of the teams. That's what I mean about the packaging. I need to recoup a little bit from it, or else with the fees from eBay, you get killed. But nonetheless, I'm having fun. Oh, wait, and this is the variant. There we go. For your Edmonton. Look, he's back to back in the pack. But it's for your Edmonton Oilers French variant, James Neal. Congratulations to Edmonton. It's nice that they put it back to back so you know something's up. I guess there's the pack that I would have thought there would have been no hit, but there's obviously a hit in every pack. So 24 hits have to go out. Connor Ingram, another nice young gun for your Predators. And we have a predominant Sebastian Aho for your Carolina Hurricanes. Nice hit for Carolina. Portraits, Max Pacioretty for your Vegas Knights. Three packs to go. Good luck. I haven't been counting the young guns, but maybe there's still one more in here. Portraits for your Edmonton Oilers. Tyler Benson. But it's a rookie. Okay, I didn't know they came in rookie forms. Congratulations to Edmonton for that nice portrait rookie. 2 packs to go. Debut dates for your New York Rangers. Adam Fox. Some big hits for the Rangers there. And our final pack. And again, this is it for the week. Boxes 3, 4, 5, and 6 are posted for Monday to Thursday next week. And as we're doing the case, we're looking for those case hits. And our final hit is a Young Guns for your Chicago Blackhawks, Philip Kurashev. It's a nice hit for the Blackhawks. And there you have it. Thanks, guys. I'll get these guys packaged up for you, and hope to see you guys next week. Thanks again.